So let me discuss even demo 3 now. Like not demo 3, we are going to discuss some more concepts and all. Okay. So focus on the concept only. Don't never ever try to memorize the code and all. If you try to memorize the code, nothing will get to you. Understanding the concept will makes more practice. Okay. Next, let me go back to some more concept like in-depth things. Some verifying some validations and all, checking some passwords and like all these things, like you are going to understand while implementation part. Event demo 3 .jsx RFC done. So let me remove this thing and let me copy from the code. Wait a second. Event handling demo 3 done. So up to now we have done how to display the name, how to trigger the value, how to trigger the value from input box to something, like how to save the values and all. We have choose, like we have seen how to display the name during alert box, how to display the name and all, how to display the name in the lower case, how to display the name into the uppercase. So like this we have done so much in 2 demos. So in demo 3 we are going to check, like we'll validate the fields and all, we'll validate some passwords and all also. So let me get into the concept. Name comma set name, name comma set name is equal to use state of double quotes empty. You already know I don't need to write any comments and all, because in previous codes and all I have written the code like comments why we use state hook and all. Okay, so let me use a new hook. Password set password done. Use state again double quotes, like password is also empty. Okay, password also is empty. Okay, I can say simply state for name input, state for password input. Clear? Password input done. So next I can say for inputting, so sorry, for constant input name. Okay, constant input name set name. Sorry, I forgot to use argument. So e dot target dot e dot target dot value. It is not showing, no issue. Constant input pwd is equal to, sorry, input pwd. These are the names. You can also create your own names. Arrow functions set password e dot target dot value done. E dot target dot value. So whenever I enter my name, it will trigger the value. It will trigger the input field. Okay, so my data will be entered into. So my it will trigger the value. So like that, my data will be triggered into this text box. So whenever you're typing anything in the text box, it means it's triggering the value. So because of event dot target dot value only, you are entering something. When whatever you enter in the text field, it is getting triggered and all. Clear? So whenever you're typing or whenever you are searching for anything, then for that purpose only you are getting your name getting entered into the text field because of e dot target dot value done. So let me go back to my next concept, like for displaying purpose. Okay, constant display e done. E so sorry, no need of e, sorry, no need of e. No need of E. So let me check both of the lengths. Okay. Name dot length double equal to 0 and double end password dot length double equal to 0 or not equal to 0. Clear everyone? Clear? I can say like I can say how can I show you like wait a second. Like I wanna say something like before I forgot to like we can also use double equal to, but I don't want to use double equal to. Just now I got remembered. Please don't use double equal to. Use triple equal to. Why I will say I will explain both. What is the difference between double equal to and triple equal to and all? Okay, like just now I remembered. Sorry for the delay. So what is meant by double equal to? If you use what, like I can say lose equally, it will check lose equality, lose equality. Like it check the types yes or no, it will check. Okay, it will check. I won't like I can say double equal to can't check properly, but it will check. But whenever I can say I will check my value double quotes of 5 is double equal to 5 or not. Okay. Okay, like this I'm saying, see. For double equal to, I'm writing a five. For double equal to, I'm writing the points. Double equal to is a loose equality. It will check only loose equality. Whenever I check double quotes 5, double equal to 5. If I check like this, it will say, yes, true. 5 is equal to 5. It will check like this. But I don't want like this. Okay. So strictly I want to use I want everyone to use triple equal to. Why meant by triple equal to? This strict equality. Strict equality it will check like if you give like this, if double quotes of 5 triple equal to 5, it will say false. It will say false. Why? Because how can double quotes of in string, this 5 is a string, how come this string is equal to 5? It will say like this. Okay, the original case if you want to give like I can say double quotes of, if you give like this, like you need to give like this triple equal to 5, then your answer will be true. 5 triple equal to 5, it will check like this, like strict quality, strict equality. Okay, if you give like this, like checking the string double quotes of 5 double quotes, it's a string. Actually you're checking with a string with a number, so in this case you are getting false. So better everyone, I suggest everyone to use triple equal to. Okay, triple equal to 0, triple equal to 0, but comparison only I have explained you clearly. You can also use double equal to, but coming whenever I click on whenever I use double equal to and all, there there's a chance of missing something and all. So double equal to, no, sorry, triple equal to. Okay, triple equal to 0. If these values are 0, let me highlight something and all. Document before we have sent message in alert box. If name.length and password.length is equal to 0, we have sent some message in alert box. So instead of sending in alert box, instead of sending some message on alert box, we'll send directly beside of the text field itself. Text field itself. Okay. Name dot name dot name dot inner HTML. Name dot inner HTML. So enter. I can say please enter name. Okay, please enter name. Done. Sorry, I forgot to use flower braces. Document dot get element by ID double quotes of password dot inner HTML. I can say, please enter password. I can say it is a message. Please enter password. If details are there, clear. So, or else, okay, only name is 0. In the case, like I can say, please think technically. If name is given, password is not given. If password is given, name is not given. So like this. Okay. Did I added sorry, like did I added like this error? Okay, these are all IDs, right? So these are all the error messages, right? Sorry. These are all the error messages. So I can name this as error name. We are checking for the errors, right? Error PWD. We are checking for the errors, right? We are not accessing the names. Okay. Error PWD. What happened? Unknown word. Okay. No issue. Okay. No issue. It's like, I can say error pass. So error PWD, I'm okay with the error PWD. Okay. No issue. So if name was given, password was not given. If password is given, if name is not given. In this case also we will provide something and all. Else if I'll check what I will check. Password I will be in a dilemma stage. The password is given, but name is not given. Name dot length triple equal to 0. If name dot length triple equal to 0, in this case, password was given. In this case, password was given. So instead of displaying anything for pass, don't display anything for the password. Simply leave double quotes, but display the name for display the error message for name field. Please enter name. Done. So copy the same. Copy the same and display here. So if name was given, password is not given. If name was given, password is not given. In this case, rename this to error PWD. Make this error name empty instead of password. Done. Okay. If both were given, okay. If both were given, assume both were given, then display the both. Clear, guys? Very much clearly I have shown you. If both was given, like both input fields were given, display those names. So we no need to display any error now. So we no need to display any error, right? So copy instead of writing same. So let me copy this. So if the name and password was given, no need to display any message. No need to display any message. We will directly display them in edit box directly. Backtick name is equal to curly dollar curly brace name. Okay. Sorry. Comma. Password is equal to sorry, I made a mistake. Password is equal to dollar curly brace password. Done. Very much clear. Done, guys. So if name and password is not given, we'll show the error messages. Assume that name was not given, but password was given. So we will only display error message at the name text field. Assume that if the name and name given, password are not given. Assume that if both were given. In this case, you'll write like this. So come back to my code, actual code. Let me show you the code. Like where is on? Let me. Did I return display? I forgot to write display code. I written right, no issue. So we need to write two input fields, right? Enter name. enter name, input type is equal to text. Type is equal to text. So for which for which ID we need to pass, for which thing? ID is equal to name, ID is equal to name, value is equal to name, done. Value is equal to name is equal to name, done. Uh, let me show you in clear. So value done, all done. Like whenever we enter everything, whenever we enter name, that name should trigger the text field like. So copy this, on change is equal to input name, done. So now I need to display the error message name also, error name also. So open I. So what's my ID here? I need to display what's the ID I written for the name field. For the name field, I am using error name. Error name, I am using error name. So copy that name, come here. In double quotes, give the ID. Okay. So I want to display this in style in a red color. If I need to, I want to display that error message in red color. So let me use style tag. So let me use style tag color. Color is equal to double quotes of red. Sorry. Okay. Color is equal to red. Done as of now. Clear. So let me use br tag. So copy same, enter name, come here. Change this to enter password. It is not text. Okay, it is also text, no issue. But type is not test. I think password will be there. Password field is also there. Type name is equal to password. Name is equal to password. Wait a second. I have user password here, no issue. Okay, we use a password there. Like ID is nothing but like in HTML we use PWD. I think so. PWD, but no issue. Anything we can use password or anything. Value is not name. Value is password. It's not input name. It is input PWD. Input PW, right? Yes, input PWD. Done. So what's next? I need to display the button. Okay, I need to display the button. Okay, button. So I'll click on display. I'll write simply display. On click is equal to display. Done everything. As of now is very much done. Clear. Let me execute this app.js6. Come back here. Event demo. Event demo 3. So let me check here. See, event demo 3 added successfully. So I didn't give like both fields. Click on display. What it is saying, it is asking me to enter name. Why it is only showing me to enter name? Why not password? What I did mistake. Okay, didn't add it for sorry. I added right. Okay, error PWD, sorry. So I've copied from this only, but I forgot. I changed this enter name to enter password, but I forgot to change enter error name for error name. I need to change here error PWD. Okay. So display. So clear, guys. What I forgot to change. I copied this thing previously, and what I did, I forgot to change this error name to error PWD. So I'm getting only for error message for name field. So we need to write error PWD because we use two different IDs. Error name message for error name, error PWD for error PWD, like password message. Clear, guys? So come back to the extent like execution part, display. It is showing some error and all, error message. So let me give password as Dhoni. So done. Display. See, name is equal to Tony, password is equal to Tony. Okay, fine. If I forgot to give password, let me click on display. So it is working fine. Password is given, but name is not given. So let me click on display. It is working fine. So this is the concept of event handling, like how to trigger the event, how to convert the conversion on displaying and checking the length and all, and checking the validations. Okay, what we executed now, we checking the validations. We are checking the validations like the input field was given or not. If not given, we are checking some messages and all, providing some please enter this name and all. Okay, clear? We'll check with this next. Some more concepts also in event handling. Okay. So okay, done with like how to change like validations and all. Okay, wait a second. We'll continue in the demo 4 and all. Let me create one new file under event handling. Uh, Let me create an event handle new file. Event demo event demo4.jsx. So let me write RFC. So let me remove the like unwanted errors. Let me go back to this demo 4. Done. So let me take some let me take some two numbers and let me perform the addition of two numbers and all. So constant value one or a comma set a is equal to uh, use state empty. Done. Constant b comma set b use state double quotes. Done. So let me take constant input a is equal to e dot arrow functions. Done. Set a e dot target dot value constant input p is equal to set b e dot target dot value. Done. So let me write a function to add constant addition is equal to empty braces. Done. Okay, let result is equal to let me parse into like I can say let me parse the values from if the answer is in float. Let me parse the answer into float. Okay, parse float of parse float of a plus parse float of b. Here a and b are nothing but this a and b. So instead of ab is nothing but a is one value, b is one value, 10 plus 10 20 20.0 like that I'm passing. Okay, so let me display the result. Okay, in alert box I want to display the message. Done. If okay, or else okay, let me show you like this. Okay, wait a second. Document dot get element by id output is equal to dot inner html result. Okay, so let me complete this event for demo dot, like I can say, let me take, wait a second. Let me go back to event demo, and let me copy this line. Okay, so enter first name instead of name, enter first number. Input is equal to not text. Instead of text, we need to take number. Done. ID, no need to take an ID, but if you want to take an ID, you can also take, no issue. But I didn't, I'm not checking is the number is entered or not. Okay. If the number is entered or not, this like I'm not checking if the number is entered or not. I'm not checking any validations, and also for this purpose I'm leaving this ID. So it's instead of name I need to pass a. It is not display name. It is simply addition. That's it. Sorry. On change is nothing but input a. Sorry. So copy this thing again. We are instead of input a, let me use input b. Instead of first I need to pass second. Done. So done. So we are taking the input and all clear. Done. So let me use a button, add on click is equal to addition. Done. Uh, Here I'm using document.getElement by ID. Using that thing also will also display. I'll also display output. Okay. Document.getElement by ID output done. So I'm using the getElement by ID also. So let me use output is equal to, or else instead of output, let me use result is equal to result is equal to. Let me use ID. Let result is equal to uh, ID is equal to. Here I passed output. So bring that output here. Done. So let me check with the output. Event demo 4. Done. So let me check once. Is it added or not? Added. Okay. Let me add a break statement after add button. Result. Done, guys. Okay. So let me click on add without providing any details. NaN is nothing but not a number. Clear. Simple error. NaN is nothing but not a number. Clear. So let me give 1 comma 1. Click on add. So it is displaying 2. After clicking on OK only, this NaN is also changing to 2. See, OK. Then result is going to change to 2. First it is displaying, first it is displaying, uh, first it is displaying in alert box correctly. Whenever you click on OK, it is changing in the result also. Done, guys. This is event handling, how to handle and all everything. So let me close this concept by with last program, event demo 5 dot jsx rfc rfc. Okay, rfc. Done. So let me bring that line here. Wait a second. Event demo 4 is done. Event demo 5 done. So what's my goal now? So what I'm going to discuss is DOM style manipulation. Document object model style manipulation we are going to discuss. With this concept, we are going to close this concept. Like we closing this event demo 5.jsx and all. So let me explain you what I'm going to do. I'm going to change when like I will give some name. I'll give some name. By default, I will give some text and message and all. So whenever I click on the change button, the text background color or text color should change. Clear everyone? Okay. So let me write one code here. Let me write one function for that. Constant change, changing, whatever it may be. Constant changing change bg, constant change bg is equal to double quotes. So I forgot to show one thing. When you don't need to use on click also, you are having so much on change. Uh, I can say on change we have. So whenever you place on cursor also, it will change. I think it will have some function, guys. Wait a second. Whenever you place on your cursor also, it will change. Uh, okay, no issue. Whenever you place your cursor on the button also, it will change. But you can use, but that function we need to use. But click. Okay, let me change this pg document dot get element by id in double quotes. I'm using this as demo one dot uh, demo one dot. Let me change this to some color. I will change this to style dot color. My favorite, like, will my background with white? It's nothing. Okay, we'll go with black. Okay, we'll go with black. Okay, I can say why I'm writing this changing text color. Changing text color. Okay, we are changing text color. Okay, my name is demo one, just for name, like for demo purpose only. I'm using some random names and all. Okay, document dot element by id get element by id demo 2 dot style dot color is equal to uh I can also say we can also change. No need to change color every time. So let me change font size or font family also we can change. Microsoft Sans Serif. Okay, no need to change. Okay, font family will change. Okay, Microsoft Sans Serif is my one of my favorite font. We'll check it will change or not. Changing font style. Changing font style. Done. Let me change the entire page background color. Get element by ID. Double quotes. So no need to get element by ID. Let me change entire document dot body dot style dot background color. Background color. Let me change this to blue directly. Let me change this to blue. We'll see what will happen. I'll explain you what I'm going to change. What this line will do is means like it will change the page background color. Changes the page background color. Okay. Changes the page background color. I can say this why I use this function is nothing but function to change text and background colors and font family and font family. Done. So come back to my division like main things. So let me write one basic code, basic. This is the end of event handling concept. Like I'm going to close this concept with this. So I'm writing like this. Event handling concept in React.js. In React. Okay. So I need to like, okay, I want to show okay, we don't need to use different like, so I need to change the color and background. I need to change the color and font family at the same time. So I need to use same names here and here. Okay. So instead of the inside this paragraph tag, pass this done. So uh, I need to use like, I need to use one button, right? BR button, click on, like name this button as change, name this button as change, on click is equal to change BG. Or else instead of change BG, let me write change itself. Change. Change is okay, fine. Okay, I'm comfortable change directly. So let me include here event demo file dot event demo file done. Let me check with this output. Wait a second. So let me check with the output once, how it is going to look like. Event demo 5. So whenever I click on change, fine. But like blue is not fine. Wait a second. Wait a second. Like I can say, if you want to, uh, I can give you one suggestion. Like, so whenever we clicking on change, it is changing on blue, but we need to refresh to change the color. But instead of refreshing, you can also arrange one new button here. You can take some new hook. Changing is not changing. So whenever you click on this button, you need to assign this as a true value. If it's a true, it will change this to color. If it's a false, it will change back to the normal white color. Okay. We can also include that, but if it is a lengthy process, like I can say, wait a second, I will show you how to do that. Constant change, like I can say, is changed, set is changed is equal to use state of double quotes done. By default, I can say it's a false. By default, it's a false. Done. Okay. Uh, like by default, it is in a false condition. So let me change this change function so that we can directly with some minor modifications is enough for changing the what is BG color and all everything. Like meanwhile, let me modify this change button. Okay. I need to change this constant paragraph is equal to document dot get element by, like I want to store this directly, get element by ID demo. I will directly store this demo into paragraph. Okay. So no need to use every time, I no need to use this paragraph like uh, document dot get element by id, get element by id. I no need to use direct every time this line. So directly I can use paragraph instead of writing this so much of line. So let me complete. Let me check once. If not equals, if is change is not equals, what I need to do if it's not equals. So let me use paragraph directly without using document dot write element, get document dot get element by id. Instead of using like that, I can directly use like this style dot color is equal to style dot color. Instead of blue, let me use like, okay, let me use black itself. So let me change this text color to blue. paragraph, like let me change, instead of changing back like font, instead of changing the what we say font family, let me change font size is equal to 20 pt, like 20 points, 20 pt. Done. Okay, let me change, like instead of writing, let me copy this line. Light gray, blue is not okay, light gray. Done. So write this code. Done. Done. So no need to write these 3 lines here, you can remove. Done. Okay, if not let me write else condition. Else condition, copy these 3 lines of 3 lines again, 3 lines again, come back here. If not, I'm changing this to again, blue is okay for me, 20 pt is okay. Let me change this to white. Okay, let me change this to white. uh, Before changing here, let me change, let's set is changed, is changing or not. Like set is changed, I'm changing directly. uh, Set is changed. Why? Okay, set is changed, like warning also removed, no issue. Like we are toggling the state and that's it. We are nothing we are not doing something like bigger things, we are toggling the state between true and false, that's it. Toggling the state. Clear guys? Clear. So let me check with the output now. It's change, it is changing to light gray and blue. Again click on change, it is changing to uh color, both vice versa, it is changing the colors and all. So what I done, base what basically I have taken, uh, basically I have taken base is changed initially is in false condition, so is checking is changed, like not equal to is changed. By default it is in false condition, it will check to not false, it is automatically checking to false, like true, it is automatically going to blue color. If not, we are toggling the state, it is automatically coming from light gray to white color again. Clear guys? So we are checking the false and true conditions. So in those conditions it is going to check the conditions, like see here, whenever I click on change it is changing, but instead of blue, let me use black. You will understand very much clearly. Black. So see, done. Changing clearly, name, blue color and everything done. So in this way we can perform event handling concepts more like anything. Clear guys? Okay. This is the end of the session. We'll discuss more and more concepts in upcoming sessions.